Yo, what's up guys? Jasmine here and welcome to the FNAF reaction video. This is my first react video. This is the final game that Scott built. It's called Five Nights at Freddy's Sister Location. There was never just one. It just only be the one who need to be the last one. I think it's the chapter one is because before it said before the Five Nights at Freddy's or Fredbear Family Diner or Five Nights at Freddy's 4, who cares? It's gonna be the most predictable game in whole history, but I'm seriously good at it. But the game, dude, started enough for doing this. If you want to subscribe me to 1,000 subscribers or 1 million likes, you will see what this is from. Okay, good. So guys, this is the end of the video and I see you all later.